Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming this video right now. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but don't worry, I am back and I'm planning to make lots of videos in the future, so welcome back to my channel. Now, if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and do so and make sure to turn on the notification button so that you know when the next video is coming. So, I have been getting a lot of questions about ballet since my last video, and I wanted to take this time to go ahead and answer some of those. So, one of the first questions that I got was, how do you feel the positions? So in one of my last videos, which was how to improve quickly in ballet, which you can watch here. So I talked about how to feel the position. And someone said, well, how do you feel the position that you're in? My best advice is to get into second position and to find a straight back in second position first. Then make sure that your legs are completely straight. And then I want you to squeeze your glutes and engage your hamstrings and your quadriceps. And then your core. Make sure that your core is nice and engaged. And then make sure that you have the weight, your body weight, equally distributed on both feet. So that is one of the ways that you can really start to feel the position, is to get into second position, straighten those legs, tighten the glutes, quads, hamstrings. Make sure that you have equal amount of weight on both feet. Like your feet should be like stones, really press them into the ground. And then find a straight back, make sure your back is straight, and just feel how that feels for a few seconds, like 10 seconds. And then release and then try again, see if you can find that position again. So that's an easy way to feel the position. Another question I've gotten is, how do you learn combinations? Or what's a way to learn combinations really quickly? I would say consistency really helps. Definitely going to class very often helps a lot, but sometimes that's not enough. The best way, I think, to learn combinations quickly is to choose to be a visual learner, especially in the beginning stages. So what I like to do is stare at the combination, watch what's happening, and then start to evaluate in your brain from bottom, middle to top, from bottom to top, ask, okay, how is this combination working? You know, especially like, let's say we're doing tendus in the center, and maybe you start in croisé. So that's the first thing you're gonna notice. Okay, is the right foot front? Yes. How many tendus do we do to the front? Oh, we do 2. How many tendu-liés? No tendu-liés. Do we just go straight to the back from the second tendu? Yes. Then do we turn to the front? Yes. You know, asking those questions in your brain. So you watch the combination the first time intently. See what foot they're using, seeing what their body positions are. And then the second time, say that combination as the teacher is demonstrating it. Yes, say it. If you say it, you can likely do it. Another question that I've gotten is about confidence in class, and how do you portray confidence in ballet class? And I think this goes along with that first answer that I just gave about, learning combinations. Trust me, the students who learn the combinations quickly, they're always the ones that are standing in the front of the class. So learn how to learn first, learn to be a visual learner, and then as you get more advanced, learn to be an audio learner. We'll talk about that later. Learn how to learn how to pick up a combination quickly by staring at the teacher and then saying the combination. Even if you have to say it while you do it at first, do that. Do it. There's nothing wrong with that. Also, I would go on Spotify or YouTube or wherever you stream your music, find some ballet music to listen to, and start to really understand the musicality of ballet music, because it's very different than other types of music that we dance to. Very different. It feels different. It has a different fluidity quality. So really start to listen to ballet music, and that's going to help you improve quite a bit. Another question that I have gotten quite a bit, which is how long I've been doing ballet, where did I study, and you know, what I do now. So right now I work mostly as a teacher and a dancer. And so I teach ballroom and ballet all over the city, and I love it. I'm also a performer just in general, so I do acting and a little bit of singing, but mostly just a performer. And I've studied at schools all over the place. I do not like to accredit my training to any one particular place because I have had some amazing training from tons of different places. Now, I grew up in San Diego, I lived in New York for a while, I lived in Vegas for a while, and now I live in Los Angeles. So you can imagine that I've had a lot of great, really, really awesome teachers all over the world. Or, I mean, all over the country for that matter. I've had a lot of great teachers all over the country, pretty much. So I don't really like to accredit my training to any one entity. I will say that I've had some amazing ballet mentors, and I have one right now, and he's amazing. His name is Damian Diaz, and he has taught me so much about ballet in general, and you know, he's just a really good friend of mine, and I love taking his class. Like, I'm about to go take his class very soon, so I gotta finish this video. So anyways, that was pretty much all the questions. Please go ahead and subscribe if you have not. Do not forget to turn on that notification buttons because there will be more videos very soon. I look forward to seeing you, and have a nice day.